Good afternoon. Meteorologist Caleb Seaver here in the University of South Alabama Atmos Center with a look at your evening forecast. As you can see, pretty big spread in temperatures across the Tennessee Valley right now. 76 in Fort Payne, 75 in Guntersville, while areas in northwest Alabama sitting in the mid to low 60s, 62 in Muscle Shoals, 65 in Florence. The reason for that, we have a lot of rain and storms ongoing, and those rain and storms are going to be a big issue for us as we head throughout the rest of your night and into your Saturday. As you can see, the Storm Prediction Center has placed all of North Alabama and southern Middle Tennessee in a level 3 out of 5 enhanced risk for severe storms. Now with those storms tonight, our main threat is going to be high winds. High winds, large hail, and flooding. Now we do have a low risk for tornadoes, not zero, but a very low risk for tornadoes. So not really too concerned about tornadoes, but it is possible. Main threat can be high winds and that large hail. We are under severe thunderstorm watch. This severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 8 p.m. Central tonight. That does again include all of North Alabama and southern Middle Tennessee. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the radar. A lot of stuff going on here, a lot of storms ongoing, a lot of orange boxes, a lot of color. So let's go through them one at a time. You can see our first storm is here near Fayetteville, Tennessee. That's going to be moving near areas near Lynchburg and Winchester. There's a severe thunderstorm warning for that storm. We have a severe thunderstorm warning for Madison and Jackson counties. That does include Huntsville, New Market, and areas in northwest Jackson County, Alabama, as well as another severe thunderstorm warning. This is for Athens, Decatur, Florence, Russellville. This is for a lot of storms moving off to the east. So let's go dive into that Madison County storm. As you can see, that storm is currently moving through areas of downtown Huntsville and areas of northeast Huntsville, crossing Chapman Mountain right now. The main threat with this storm is going to be large hail. And there has been reports of 1-inch sized hail in areas near Priceville and Hartselle. The biggest hail falling near areas near Gurley and southeast Huntsville, with damaging straight line winds also possible with this storm, especially as you can see it's starting to take more of that curving, bowing shape, showing those straight line winds gusting out in front of the storm. So this storm is moving off to the northeast. This severe thunderstorm warning is in effect till 4 p.m. And again, does include Huntsville, New Market, Huntland, Tennessee, as well as areas in northwest Jackson County. So as we head throughout the rest of your evening, if you're headed out to any plays, movies, shows, anything this evening, not a great forecast. That chance of severe storm sticks with us through the 10 p.m. hour and throughout the rest of your night. Temperatures starting out around 74, 6 p.m., cooling off into the mid-60s as we go throughout the rest of your night. So if we take a look at the models and see what it's going to look like, we can see those storms ongoing right now in areas near Huntsville, New Market, and those storms are going to move off to the northeast slowly, but they are moving off to the northeast. Then you have that line of storms that we saw on the radar earlier near Florence and Russellville. That's going to move through too. So these storms you're getting right now in Huntsville and New Market, that's not your only storms for tonight. You're going to get a second line that could also be severe. So that storm moves through by about 7 p.m. You can see some rain, lingering rain showers behind that. And as we head throughout a lot of your overnight hours, you could get a brief drop period between 10 and 1 a.m. with some more storms moving through after midnight. And we get another break as we head throughout your overnight hours. Now, as we head into your Saturday morning, once again, we see scattered storms moving through the area around 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. So if you're headed anywhere tomorrow morning, weather doesn't look great again. Nearly 100% chance of rain and thunderstorms throughout your whole morning, temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 60s. So now as we go throughout your Saturday afternoon, we'll take a look at that too. We can see another line of storms is going to move through the area throughout your afternoon hours. So by about 1:50 p.m., all those storms in the morning have moved out. You get a brief window between 10 and 11 a.m. where it could be dry before yet another line of storms moves through tomorrow afternoon. The good news is, after that line of storms, we begin to dry out tomorrow evening. So as we head into your 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock hours into your Saturday, weather looks just fine. You can see maybe some scattered showers around, but no big deal there. And as we head through your Sunday morning, we finally start to dry out. So if you're looking to do something outside, Sunday's your day. Going to be a beautiful day if you're heading out to any local parks, anything, want to spend any time outside. Sunday's the day to do it. Temperatures can be a little cool. 60s throughout your afternoon, cooling down into the 50s by tomorrow or Sunday evening. So now as we look into your 7-day forecast, after we get through the storms today and tomorrow, looking pretty good. 69 is your high Sunday. Big cool down expected as well. 70s throughout much of your week. Those rain and storm chances do begin to increase towards the end of the week, but we'll pay more attention to that after we get through today and tomorrow's storms. I'm meteorologist Caleb Seaver. Thank you for watching.